beautiful people, welcome back to Nails by Joyce Truly. I want to first say thank you so much for the support for the last video. I didn't expect to get as many views as I did. If you're tuning into this video today, this video is going to be how I package my nails and what I include. If you're someone that plans to sell press-ons, this video is for you. So first to start, this is what I include when selling my press-on nails. Everything that I got is from Amazon. First is the holographic Ziploc bag, and I include the dry and wet wipes just to basically clean your nails. You know, you want to make sure your nails are clean before applying. You don't want no dirty nails underneath, and you just want to make sure there's nothing on your nails so you could stick everything on nicely. I include 2 stickies. You do not want to be cheap, girls, okay? At least give them 2 tries, 2 chances to apply the press-ons if they don't want to use their glue. Here you see the how to apply press-ons. I got this as like a bulk of 50 from Amazon at a really good price. I would include everything down in the description below for you guys. Next are the minor but important things for applying your press-ons. First, I have the wooden stick. The wooden stick is to push back your cuticles, and the other side, the point, is to clean out the dirt from your nails. The glue is self-explanatory to apply your nails. Then your buffer, you want to take out the shine before applying your press-ons. And then, of course, the nail file to file down your nails or the press-ons themselves. So this is all the necessities that you would need for applying. You want to provide all of this for your client. You know, you do not want to be cheap. You want them to, you know, get what they pay for. And I just absolutely love this whole set. I got everything from Amazon. Next, I will be showing you how I actually set up my press-ons. So what you see here in the video is actually what I use to lay my nails on. On this side, it says Nails by Joyce Truly. And then on the other side, it says, thank you for your purchase, beautiful. And this is where I lay my nails on. Then I just use a clear box that I also got off of Amazon. I believe it's like a 4x6, maybe smaller 3x5. And it's just, you know, a regular clear box that I placed them in. Then next you would need a double-sided tape. It appears as though it is red, but it's not. It's clear. And it's really, really strong. It holds down perfectly. I cannot complain at all. So this is what I use. I apply it onto my card that I actually made off of Zazzle. I'll place everything down below. I'm sorry. So I'm actually gonna do it for you on the camera. I just take my card that I made. I size the tape that I need. I'm cutting it off camera. I'm gonna measure it first, and then I'm gonna cut it off camera, and then I'll just be applying that down, and then you'll see, and then I'll just apply the nails onto it. So as you can see, I have my nails pressed on. You just want to go ahead and apply some pressure to make sure it's actually stuck to your tape, your double-sided tape. And that's it. That's how I set up my press-on nails. I absolutely love this. And actually, I just did a video on this set. If you would like to see it, comment down below and I will be posting that, so keep eyes out for that. So once I finished applying the press-ons, I just put it into the box, and as you can see, I had my paper custom made to fit this size, and everything is just perfect. I absolutely love it. It's so cute, so elegant, so simple. And that's all for my press-on nails. That is how I set up my press-on nails, and that is my care package for my ladies that purchase. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, for all the love and support. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful, and again, I will be linking everything down below for you guys. Thank you.